Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you a step-wise process on how to make a booklet using only one paper. So let's begin with the video. To make the one paper booklet, you'll need 2 A4 sized colored sheets, glue stick and a scissor. Step 1 is very simple. You take one colored sheet of paper and fold it like it's shown here. Then you open the paper and cut the crease lines. Now you will have 4 strips of paper with you. Step 2. Take each strip of paper and fold it into half. Now fold this half into another half and again give another fold, like it is shown here. Step 3. Now open the folded strip of paper and give it a zigzag fold. Do the same with all the other strips of folded paper. Step 4. Glue each of the zigzag strips of paper together until it forms one long strip. Then again, give a zigzag fold with this long strip of paper and glue the last end of the paper. Step 5. Now we'll glue one side of the paper and stick it using the zigzag fold technique as it's shown here. And now your booklet is ready. Step 6. We are going to make an origami book cover for the booklet. So take the other sheet of paper and fold it into 4 quadrants. And thereafter cut one quadrant. Step 7. Fold this paper into half and only crease the top and bottom end of the fold. Now take one half of the paper and fold it a little away from the creased line. Do the same with the other half of the paper. Remember, there needs to be a gap between the 2 folded halves. Here's a close-up for better clarity. Now fold one end of the paper a little below the end line, leaving enough gap for the spine of the book to fit. Turn the paper and do this again. Now place the book inside the cover and fold the ends of the cover inside the book. Remove the book and insert the first and last page of the book inside the pockets of the cover. I'm sticking a cupcake cutout to decorate the booklet. And here's the final look of the one paper booklet. I'll be using these booklets to write birthday prayers and to do Bible doodles. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Let me know in the comments your ideas on using these booklets. Stay tuned for another video next Friday. Do like my video and share it with those who love craft and art content. Also comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.